Hello, I am Colin
I'm Shreya.
with Lay Roots, and we're going to answer a question that we received on whether you can name a foreigner as your personal representative or executor in your will. Before we get into that, though, if you have any questions about this or about your estate plan, you can book a free 30-minute chat with me.
Or me.
Go to livemorecarefree.com. livemorecarefree.com. Boom. So, can you name a non-US person or a person who lives outside of the United States as your executor or personal representative? The answer is yes, you can. In Washington, the requirement for a personal representative is that they're an adult over 18, they're not crazy, and they don't have a criminal past, basically.
So what would be some of the cons of naming someone who's not a U.S. person?
Yeah, so that's a different question, right?
Yeah.
What's that? Isn't there a superhero quote? It's not a question of whether you can, it's whether you should.
I don't know if that's a superhero quote, but I like it.
Anyway, so yes, you can. Although if the person isn't here in the county where probate is opened, they're going to have a local person appointed to be the local contact.
Is that like an attorney?
It could be an attorney or someone else.
And then they can like travel maybe if they can get a visa. That's them traveling.
Jeez, why would they want to do that? I mean, we've done that for people who are named in California, say, and either the attorney is the local contact here in King County. But yeah, the question is whether you should. I mean, if someone's out there living their life in Spain, they're going to have to reach out to someone here in Washington and hire them to do their thing. And I don't know, is that good?
I mean, I feel like it's becoming less and less of an issue these days, if I'm being completely honest with you, Colin.
Yeah.
Because it's like global, it's easier to get in touch with people across the globe. And then like if someone hires an attorney to do their estate plan, then hopefully they have that person's contact information, and then they have the internet where they can like search them and stuff. And so
It's true.
probably less of a hassle, but more of a hassle than naming someone local. Less of a hassle than it used to be.
Like if you don't know anyone.
Yeah.
Or you don't trust anyone.
Could be either. Could be either, really. I feel like it's probably more of an issue for people who maybe have like minor kids.
And that's just in Washington State. If you have to open a probate in some other state, they might have different rules. I think in California, I don't know if they allow foreigners to do it. I don't know. So it depends on the state where a probate needs to be opened.
Yeah. What about having I'm going down a rabbit hole. Never mind.
Don't rabbit hole, Shreya. Keep it simple, as they say.
That's what we're doing.
Cool. So if you found this video helpful, what should they do?
Hit like.
Yeah. Got any questions, comments? Leave them down below, and we would appreciate
Like
that.
it while you can. I
Yeah.
hear they're getting rid of them.